Hi everyone, it's Root Model Sharice, and I'm really excited to share the December Mini Pretty Club box that I curated. So let's see what's inside. So in the box you'll find 4 sample makeup products, 1 full-size makeup product, and 1 trial-size skincare product. The first makeup sample in the box is Diamond Loose Mineral Eyeshadow. It's a beautiful, icy, shimmery white that reminds me of snow. It's perfect for highlighting the inner corners of your eyes, and you can even dust it on your cheekbones or your brow bone. The next makeup sample is in the navy, which is a matte navy blue, and it's perfect for winter as well. I love it for creating an eyeliner look that just adds a little extra pop of color than your normal black. For the full-sized makeup product this month, I selected Jasmine Loose Mineral Eyeshadow. It's a beautiful golden brown that also has some really deep berry undertones, and it pulls so many colors depending on the other colors that you're wearing or whether you apply it dry or wet. And so this is one of my favorite loose shadows that I'm really excited for you all to try out. The next sample makeup product is Semi-Sweet Bronze. This is a mocha brown bronze cheek color, and it makes a great bronzer or eyeshadow, and it pulls some deep berry tones as well. This may look a little intimidating at first because it is a deep shade, but a little bit goes a long way in adding some definition to those cheekbones and warming up your cheeks. For a lip color, I chose Lara Glassing Lip Serum. This is a medium dusty rose tone, and the best thing about the glassing lip serums is that they are so restoring in addition to being beautiful. And the last thing you get in the box is the Pure Glow Organic Jasmine and Grapefruit Beauty Balm. I cannot say enough great things about this product. It smells amazing. But you might be wondering, what is a beauty balm for? Well, it's actually a 4-in-1 product. First, you can use it as a daily moisturizer or an overnight deep moisturizer. Just lightly massage it into your skin before bed so your skin can drink it all in. One of the best things about it is that it's a fantastic makeup remover. You just work a little bit between your fingers and gently massage it around your eyes in circular motions, and it melts your makeup right off. It looks a little scary at first when your makeup is dissolving, but if you put a hot, steamy washcloth over your face and gently wipe away, you'll see that it clears it right off and also cleanses your skin. I wanted to include this in the December box because my skin gets very dry in the winter, and using our beauty balms every night has really made a huge difference in my skin. So I hope you all love this one as much as I do. I'm going to show you now how to create 3 different makeup looks using the products in this box. And so I hope that you enjoy these looks, and we can't wait to see what you create as well. So the first look that I'm going to show you today is the one that I'm wearing now, and it's featuring Jasmine, which is the full-size product that you got, and it's that beautiful golden brown, but as you can see, it's also really pulling some berry tones in this look. So if you want to find out how to recreate this look, keep watching. To start this look, I'm going to use Jasmine. I like to dip my brush in water and mix it in the lid to create a really pigmented look. Here I'm applying it all over the surface area of my lids, and you can see that applied wet, it becomes a very vibrant gold berry tone. Next, I'm using Semi-Sweet Bronze, and this will be our crease color. I'm using the number 18 eyeshadow brush, which is one of the add-ons for the box. The bristles are compact and angled, which makes it great for placing color in the outer corner and crease, and it's also great for blending. The more you blend, the shimmer will buff off of your eyeshadow, which is great if you want a more subdued look. But I love a pop of shimmer, so after blending, I often go back in and touch up my base. Next, I'll be using Diamond. Again, I like to dampen my brush with a little bit of water and apply it wet. I'm using it to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones to make my eyes look brighter. To finish off my eye look, I'm using In the Navy. I'm loading this onto the number 18 brush and tapping it into the outer corners. The outer corner color should be your darkest color, and it adds a lot of dimension to the look. Don't be afraid of the blue, it actually does a great job blending in with the other colors. And you could stop here and just add mascara if you want, but I'm going to finish off with eyeliner. I'm using In the Navy Wet on my number 4 pinpoint detail brush. This brush gives you a lot of control for creating winged eyeliner looks. Navy makes a great eyeliner, especially if you're looking for a fun alternative to the everyday black. The next product was an optional add-on, but it's one of my all-time favorites. I'm using the Prime and Conceal Cream Corrector in shade Fair to brighten up the space under my eyes. And although the mascara is not part of this box, I couldn't skip it for these looks, so I'm adding that now. We already used semi-sweet bronze for our crease color, but we're going to use it again for its intended purpose as a bronze. I just dipped my finger right in the sample container and used it to apply lines in the space beneath my cheekbones. This color may be a bit intimidating if you're fair-skinned like me, but a little bit goes a long way, and the more you blend, the softer it gets. For the last product, I'll be using Lara Glossing Lip Serum. I love that you can use Root products in so many ways, so I'll be using this as both a blush and a lip color. And again, using your finger makes for easy application with the sample size containers. So that's the first look. I hope you liked it and enjoy recreating it with your December box. So this is the second look that I'll be teaching you how to make from the December box, and the MVP of this look is Semi-Sweet Bronze. We'll also be using Jasmine to create a halo effect, putting a pop of shimmer right in the center of our eyelid. And then we'll be using In the Navy as our eyeliner. All right, for this look, we'll be starting with Semi-Sweet Bronze. And you can see it's a warm mocha color and also has some berry undertones. I'm going to be applying this all over my lids as the base color. I start in the outer corner because the first place you lay your brush down is going to have the most pigment. So I like to start there and then pull it into the inner corner of the eye. And then once I have that on both lids, I'll go in and blend and smooth out any of those lines. And then you'll see me go back in to build up just a little bit more pigment, especially in that outer corner. So after blending, you have a great matte base for our look. Next, I'm using Jasmine to create a halo effect. To do this, I'm taking a damp brush and applying Jasmine wet in a small amount right in the center of my eyelid. Because Jasmine is shimmery, this is going to draw the light right to the center of your eye and really make the look pop. And then I'm taking the number 18 angled eyeshadow brush and blending Jasmine with the Semi-Sweet Bronze in the inner and outer corners to smooth out any harsh lines. Now I'm going back in with Semi-Sweet, this time using it as a bronze. Again, I just apply it with my finger. Start with a little bit. You can always add more to build up the color later. But if you do get it too dark, don't fret, just keep blending. Next up is Diamond. I'm using my finger to tap it along my upper cheekbones to use it as a highlighter and then just blending it out. I'm also going to apply it wet as a highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes, and then we'll blend that into the Semi-Sweet base using the number 18 brush. Next, I'm using Lara Glossing Lip Serum. This medium dusty rose gloss pairs perfectly with the muted berry tones in our eye look to tie it all together. And to polish off the whole look, I am using In the Navy as an eyeliner. I dipped the number 4 pinpoint detail brush in water and then rolled it in the navy to create a nice smooth point. I start in the outer corner and line my lashes. Then to create the wing, I put the brush where I want the wing to end and pull in, and then I connect that with the first line that I drew. And then I do it all over again on the other side. And even though it's not in the box, I'm finishing off with mascara. For the very last step, I'm using the optional add-on Prime and Conceal Cream Corrector because I love the way it brightens up any look and makes my skin glow. And that's the second look. I hope you liked it and get a chance to try it out for yourself. So this is the third look that I'll be showing you how to create from the December Mini Pretty Club box. And this is the most dramatic look. The star of the show here is in the navy, and you can probably tell that I put it all over my lid, and then I've used diamond to create a halo effect in the center, similar to the concept from look 2. So if you want to find out how to recreate this look, keep watching. For this look, we're going to start with Jasmine. We'll be using Jasmine as a crease color, and you'll see me using the number 18 angled eyeshadow brush again to blend it into the crease. Now for the main event, I am applying in the navy loose powder all over my lid. Like before, I'm starting on the outside and moving in so that the heaviest pigment is in the outer corner. I'll do the same thing with my other eye until both eyes are covered with navy. Then I'll blend the navy into the jasmine crease color and smooth out any harsh lines. Using any leftover pigment that's on the brush, I'll also pull the color underneath my eyes. Now, I know navy may not be in everyone's comfort zone, so if this already feels like a lot, you can stop there. But if you want to go bolder, we can build up that color even more. You'll see me now going in one more time to really pack that navy into the outer corner. Next up is diamond. I'm going to use this to create a halo effect like the look before. Using a damp brush, I'm applying diamond wet into the center of my eyelids. At first, this is going to look really harsh, but like before, we're going to use our number 18 eyeshadow brush to blend the diamond into the navy and smooth out those harsh lines. It helps if you have a little bit of navy still on your brush from before to pull those colors together. And already you can see what a difference that blending makes. And I'll do the same thing on the other side now. If you're happy with this, you can stop here and just add mascara. But I'm going to double up on the navy and add some winged eyeliner. Next, I'm using the optional Prime and Conceal Cream Corrector add-on to brighten up under my eyes, and I'm also using it to highlight my brow bones. And although it's not included in the box, we'll top things off with mascara. So we've finished off the eye look, and all that's left is cheeks and lips. I'm using Semi-Sweet Bronze to add some extra dimension to my face. This time I went in a little bit heavier with my lines, and I'm using a clean brush to really blend and buff that color out. This really warms up the look, especially since the navy is cool toned. And once again, I'll be using Lara as both a blush and lip color. So I'm just tapping it into my cheeks and blending it with the fluffy kabuki brush. And for the finishing touch, I'm applying Lara to my lips. So that's the look. I hope you have fun trying out some of these different combinations, and I can't wait to see what looks you all come up with as well. Thanks for watching.